They call this strength in a pot for a reason. In Jamaica, sea cat, octopus, and conch aren't just for taste, they're for building your back. But if it's rubbery, you did it wrong. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Make it soft like butter. What's going on, beautiful people? Today we are gonna make some strong back combo stew. Yeah, man. So first thing first, you're gonna need some octopus and some conch. This right here, guys, is already boiled for at least 30 minutes just to tenderize, the texture and all that stuff. You're gonna need some carrot and some bell peppers, all right? Obviously, you're gonna need some dry seasoning. This is my all-purpose blend right here. Right here, we have some garlic, some fresh garlic. We have some fresh thyme, scallion or green onion. We have some pimento berries and some habanero pepper. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna get the pan nice and hot, right? We're gonna turn the stove to about a high heat, make sure it's sizzling, piping hot. Then we're gonna add some avocado oil, all right? And then we're gonna add some other things to it. Let's go. Not too much, just a drizzle, about 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add all of these lovely, fresh ingredients. All right, so we're gonna stir this up, guys. Stir it up a little. Just for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to extract some of that flavor, Flavor from the garlic, and all the other ingredients inside. Then we're gonna add the conch octopus. Stir it up a little. I'm gonna add a little seasoning. A little bit of the all-purpose blend. This is smelling so good, guys. Now we're gonna add some carrot, bell pepper. And you just want to cook all of these ingredients up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add some water, a little bit of lime juice, just to add that zestiness to it. And then we're going to cook it, let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And remember, guys, the conch and the octopus is already tenderized. I cooked it for about 30 minutes. Now, if you know anything about Caribbean culture, you know this isn't just a regular meal. In Jamaica, a stew like this with the sea cat and the conch is what we call strength. It's widely considered a powerful aphrodisiac, meant to give you energy and build up the back. Whether you believe the legends or not, one thing's for sure, after one bowl of this, you're going to feel so good. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn the stove down to about a medium-low heat and let it cook. See in a bit. Now here's the real secret. You don't need to beat the conch for an hour if you do this right. When you stew them together, the natural juices and enzymes from the sea cat actually work to break down the tough fibers in the conch. It's a natural low and slow reaction that tenderizes everything in the pot, saving you the workout and giving you a much better texture. All right, people, so let's take a look at it. So this is how my octopus and conch, the strong back stew, this is how it's looking. The liquid, the sauce is looking good. The texture, I tried it earlier. I'm gonna try a piece again so y'all could see it. All right, guys, so like I said, I tried it earlier and it's amazing. It's so flavorful, a little spice to it, but it's just right. And it's not chewy at all. It's just right, perfect. Yeah, man, so the strong back stew, guys, it's perfect. We're gonna share it out right now, put it on a plate, and enjoy. All right, so we're gonna top it off with a little bit of parsley, just for garnish. Make it pop a little bit, and then we're gonna take a bite. It's so good. Right now my back feels strong. Yeah, man, but may I tell you people, this is a must try. Trust me, if you have conch, if you have access to conch and access to octopus, you know, all the other ingredients are easy to find. You know, you have your carrot, you know, and all the other ingredients. So once you can find those ingredients, just put this dish together and you won't be disappointed, trust me. If you're a seafood lover, guys, definitely check it out. Definitely try it out. You understand? And if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, more videos, more beautiful things. One love.
Sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in